This is Gary Wales. I was just reminded by Riley Nash that I should probably show you people my front garage and my special car that just received lately. This, by the way, is the very front of the garage on the inside, and this is signed by a lot of my visitors and car people guests. So just thought you'd like to see it. The big paintings you see here, and oops, oh, got everything kind of messed up here. Here are Charles Churchill Villiers. Charles Churchill Villiers is a very, very well-known painter. His father was Amherst Villiers, who was the one that did the blower Bentleys in 27, 28, 29, 30 for Le Mans, and is the father of the supercharger. And Churchill stands for his godfather, Winston. So Charles Churchill Villiers is a hell of a nice guy and a fabulous painter. Anyhow, let me give you just a quick little shot this way. And this is the car that Riley wanted to see, and that is the only metal copy, in fact, the only known copy of the 1928 Y Job. And the reason it's called the Y Job is that designation was given to aircraft experimental cars. And it is actually probably the very first car that was used to update and be shown by General Motors or any car company of what was to be coming. This was done in 1938, and you can see it. It's really an amazing looking piece. It's 18 feet long, and it has push button doors, it's had air conditioning put into it just so it make it livable, but electric windows and all sorts of special improvements into it, electric top and so forth. Anyway, this is the only known copy of the Y Job, and it is really a cool car, and it goes extremely well. Anyhow, my front garage, just thought you might get a kick out of seeing it. And of course the Beast, and an old Bentley here, and another very old Bentley here, the Black Prince. This is where it roosts. So anyhow, I thought you might get a kick out of it. There's some interesting stuff here. I was able to fly around the world in '88 with Neil Armstrong and Bob Hoover and a bunch of people. And we set the world record for the fastest time around the world, and it only lasted for a week. Anyway, just kind of an interesting place. But it's where I like to hang out, and my friends come over and they hang out here also. So anyway, that is the Y Job, and that's my two matched pair of 38s. 38 Bentley the Black Prince, 38 Y Job Buick. And let me end this little video with a piece here that just kind of tells the story of it, which unfortunately the light's not very good and it won't last long. So anyway, thanks for viewing. Any comments are welcome.